Hey everybody, this is our MRS22 Spring 2022 quiz number 2, question number 1 review. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I enjoy making them for you guys. Make sure you are on top of our work. Today, this topic for quiz will be focusing on logarithms. This question's on one of the log equations we're going to solve. And so we have in this case, solve for x, log base 7 of x minus 3 plus log base 7 of x plus 4 equals log base 7 of 44. Let's solve for x. So the very first thing we want to consider in this case is that whenever we see a problem where a log equation we're trying to solve, and we have two logs either adding, subtracting each other, here we're adding each other, we want to combine them together to a single log. Okay, so these two logs, because we use our product rule in this case, and our product rule says the following, that if we have log of A plus log of B, we can combine together to get a single log of A times B. So we're going to multiply the insides. So here we'll have log base 7 of x plus x minus 3 times x plus 4. So that's a single log, and now everything's kind of squished together, multiply each other, equal to log base 7 of 44. Now you say, okay, great, we use our log rule. Still, how do we solve for x? Well, in this case, we have a second log situation here where we have two logs of the same base equal each other. We can set the insides equal to each other. So we have log of A equal log of B. X on them, the insides. Then the insides must be equal to each other. A equals B. And so we're going to set x minus 3 times x plus 4 equal to 44. So now this problem is like just a quadratic equation. We're going to distribute and solve. Please remember we're distributing here. We have x times x, which is x squared, x times 4, which is 4x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x, and negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. All together gives us x squared plus x minus 12 is equal to 44. Okay? So in any quadratic equation, what we want to do is we want to be able to set the equation equal to 0. And so we're going to subtract, I'm going to move this down a little bit here. We're going to subtract 44 on both sides. Oops, sorry about that. Sorry. Let's see if I can get rid of this little glitch here. There you go. Okay, we subtract 44 on both sides. So we are getting x squared plus x. Negative 12 minus 44 is negative 56, and that's equal to 0. Okay, great. So now what we're going to do is we're going to factor. And so try to find two numbers that multiply to negative 56 and add to 1. So what numbers could it possibly be? Well, we know it's x times x to x squared. But two numbers multiply to negative 56 and add to 1 are positive 8 and negative 7. Okay, and we set them both equal to 0. So now we have in this case x plus 8 equals 0, and x minus 7 equals 0. We solve for x, subtract 8 on both sides, we get x equals negative 8. Add 7 to both sides, we get x equals to 7. Now, going back to the original problem, if we plug in negative 8 into either one of those logs, we're going to get a negative number. So here, for example, negative 8 minus 3 is negative 11. That's no good. We can't have that. So this has to be rejected. All right, remember, the domain or the value inside the log function must be greater than 0. However, we plug in 7, we're going to get, in this case, the log of 7 minus 3 plus the log of 7 plus 4, log base 7, sorry about that, log base 7, is equal to log base 7 of 44. Well, we are going to get log of base 7 of 4 plus log base 7 of 11. And we know in this case we combine the two to get 4 times 11 equals 44. So this is working out great. Our answer is x equals 7. Okay? I'll make this full page to take a look at everything here. Okay? All right. So remember in this case, when we have log equations, you want to you kind of combine the two log equations. If they're adding each other, you multiply the insides. If you subtract each other, you're going to divide the insides. Okay? And then if we have two logs equal to each other, we're going to set the insides equal to each other. All right, so definitely look out for one of these questions on our quiz tomorrow. All right, and I hope you guys practice this, try them out and all. And then of course, try the homework questions we had from before. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to turn on notifications to be alerted when new videos are added. All right. Also, in this case, leave comments or questions below if you have any questions. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video.